Here's a sound related problem in Power Director version 20. This clip has sound only on the right side, in the right speaker. So I cannot hear anything on the left side, but only on the right side. Okay, so to send sound both to the right and to the left speakers, we have a strange method. If I right click on a clip, edit audio, audio editor, then in the past I had some copy paste options up here, but they are gone, they are not there. Notice the sound went only to the right channel and it disappeared from the left channel. But since I cannot use copy paste anymore, here's a weird method: vocal removal. Now if I click the apply button, the sound will not be modified, although it should remove the vocal portion of the sound, but it will copy it there also. And that is not working either. So if I click apply, this will be copied there. Voila, this seems not to be modified, at least not visually, but it's copied there. Well, if I go back there and click on the apply button, it will apply it once again. Even if I want to return to the original audio, so I click on that one and click apply, it will apply it again, it will not remove it. So that is not working either. As you can see, it's applying again, but luckily this undo button is working. Yes, it's returning, and click OK. And now if I listen to that sound, which although disappeared from there, at least it's playing in both of the speakers. So now it's not mono, it's dual mono. As you can hear, the sound is present in both speakers.